Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're in Portofino South Village, which is near Avia Mall. Today we're going to take a look at this big house behind me. So let's go check it out. House and lot for sale. Let's go check it out. So as you can see, I'll just pan the front property here. You can see it's got a side gate there, a center gate. I'll just pan up on the house there. And you can see it's got a lot of landscaping in front, which is nice, and completely walled property. So let's go in through the front gate here. Go check this house out. The setup of this house is kind of like the Michelangelo, which is the model house in Portofino South, but a little smaller. So we come through the front doors. So immediately to the left, you have a door that takes you to the garage. And then when we come back around here to the other side, there's a door here, which has a room here, which can be used for an office or something. And in this room you have, there's a walk-in closet here. And then behind the door here is a full CR with shower, sink and everything. Sorry about the lighting. And then just pan this little office space here. And this has a sliding glass door that will take you out to the backyard. But we'll take a look at that later. So let's go into, see now, they have a pet there, but they're blocking this, but you can have this as a walkthrough also. And then this is more realistically your like second front door, where you walk in. The living room is right in front of you, and it's got high ceilings, as you can see. I'll take you up. Look at that. Look at that beautiful chandelier up there. Wow, expensive. I'll just do a little pan around the room so you can get an idea. Very nice drapes on the windows. You can see they have their furniture set up. Little pillar designs built into the wall. And then we can walk straight from here into the dining room, which is round-shaped entryways, arched, nice chandelier above the 8-man table. And I'll just come walk in here and we'll pan around. As you can see from the dining room, there's a door here that's open. We'll let you go out to this back patio here. I'll just pan around the room here. I'll walk up this way so you can get a good look at it. So I'm gonna now head into the double doors into the kitchen area. You can see it has nice, very shiny, nice cabinets. Just pan around the room here. See, wrap area, microwave. Come into the sink area. Beautiful cabinets. We'll go look at the dirty kitchen later though, but they have a storage for pots and everything in the kitchen here. And then you can come out this door here and you can see how the stairways is right here. But to the right is turn the light on. Right here is a guest bathroom. Now let's go upstairs and check it out. See a little pan up through there? Nice little light fixture hanging down there. Stairs looks like it's hardwood Nara. See, we can see that chandelier that was in the living room. You can look down into the living room area from here. So if we immediately go to the left, we can see a nice bedroom set up in here. Nice kids room. And they have a built-in closet to the left. And then you walk in here and you have the CR and full shower. Then when we come out, you have a room at the top of the stairs. And I'll just pan around this room. See the nice light fixture above there. See, you have another double bed set up. I'll just walk over here, little desk. Give you a little shot from here. And so we'll come back here. My gimbal giving me a little problem, sorry. Then we have built-in closets here. And then we have another full bathroom with shower. Now let's head over to the master bedroom room. The floor up in this landing here is synthetic, but very nice. So here's the master's bedroom. Nice drapes and ceiling fan design. Of course, all the rooms have AC. TV set up here. Let's go into the, you have a walk-in closet. As you can see this. You got like a little island with drawers. As you can see, nice looking walk-in closet. And more closets over here. Now let's go into the bathroom, the master bedroom. You can see the sink area. And then we come over here, shower area. Then you got a step up jacuzzi tub. And then behind this wall here is of course the CR. So let's now head downstairs and I'll show you the outside of this house. Just do a quick walk through here downstairs. I'll show you the things in the garage and the outer perimeter of this house. Down the stairs. We'll cut through that office that we first came into. This is where we'll come back to. So this is the backyard area. We just panned around towards the front of the house. So you see you got a lot of space out here. Nice. Looks like a mango tree, so free mangoes. So then we'll come out of this patio here. We'll walk the perimeter of the outside of the house. So you can get an idea how it looks. See the balconies there. Little double pillar designs. They have a little garden area back here, nice. High wall, away from your neighbor, that's pretty nice. Let's go around the side here, see what else we have. all tiled. Now we're walking into the dirty kitchen. Here's the access to the kitchen. So we came from there. This one here, we have a maid's room, and then of course full bathroom for the maids. And as you can see, the dirty kitchen's all shelving, got double sink, another stove, and they have the laundry area, washer and dryer set up. And you can see this house has a gate to the garage here, and you can see their water filtration system. Nice. And then you have another gate here, which you could probably use this also to park motorcycles. You have this gate here to park a couple cars, as they have. And then I'll just show you the front here again. See, so lots of nice landscaping. Nothing takes longer than building up your landscaping from when you buy a brand new house. This is already all done. Very nice. So you can see you're on the back row in Portofino South, which is considered the most quietest part of the whole village. Behind this wall, they plan on building what's called Billionaires Lane, and over that way will be the new Universal City. So this property should go pretty high up in value. Great investment. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see all the information about this, just look at the description below, or go to philhome.com and check out the link there, or contact us if you would like to see this house. Or you can go to Facebook, Phil Home Facebook page, and chat us directly from your Facebook. So I hope you enjoyed this tour, and thanks for watching. philhome.com.